If you can't hear your phone calls in iPhone unless you put it on speaker mode, what you do is, the first thing is you will restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing that you will do is, if you go at the bottom here, you will see this port here, lighting port, where you put the cable. So what you do is use a small needle and just gently put it inside this hole and remove any dust which is accumulated inside. Also, you can gently blow the ear inside this hole so as to remove the dust. The other thing that you can do is, this is the speaker area. You have to gently press on this speaker area. So gently press like this one on the speaker area. Don't press too much, otherwise you might break this screen. So gently press this speaker area. Also, what you can do is, you can blow ear on this speaker area. Just gently blow the ear. Also, you can use your mouth to suck the ear from this speaker area. So just put your mouth on this speaker area part and gently suck the ear. If you have any device to suck the ear, you can just use it on this part, but do it gently. So do all of these things and hopefully you should be able to hear the sound from the iPhone without putting it on speaker mode.